What's up guys, Rich here, and we are going to unbox Sea-Gull's newest colorway in their Ocean Star lineup. Here we go. I'm really excited and very curious about this as well. Sea-Gull has really caught my attention lately. I've had negative experiences and a good experience with the Sea-Gull, so I really want to check out what this one is all about. Nice protective packaging here. Ah, okay, nice. But here we go. And I know their 1963 is their most popular model, right? That just has a huge cult following. But I also wanted to see what kind of everyday sports watch or tool watch that we can get from Sea-Gull. So here's a warranty card. Okay, really, this is nice. This is, I know this is in 43.5 millimeters. This is their 6114, and their movement, I think it's the 6130 automatic movement, but this is really nice. I'm gonna take off all this plastic. I'll be right back. And here it is without all that plastic packaging. And as I started to say, this is really nice. This is a lot nicer in person than any photographs or images that I've seen. As I started to undo the plastic, I recognized that I think I called this movement the wrong movement. As I recall, I believe this is their ST2130 in-house movement, of course. So this is just really impressive here, the Ocean Star. And you know, I think this is going to represent a really nice gateway into Sea-Gull watches for anyone that's looking for a nice tool watch or a nice diver's watch. In addition to the chronograph, this is going to be a really nice option for us, especially for this price point. This is only $360, and we are getting everything in-house. I know we rave about the more value-conscious watch like Orient with their in-house movement and much of their stuff manufactured in-house. Well, that has to also apply to Sea-Gull because this is their in-house movement. Everything is done in-house, and the Ocean Star is their flagship of their sports watches. So very impressed about the quality on this, because I've been burned before, and as I touched on, the reason that I am really curious about and excited about this watch is because trying to find a Sea-Gull is really a minefield, right? I mean, we see so many online stores that suggest or claim that they are an official Sea-Gull store, and I can't tell you how many times I've seen and heard about the 1963 being fake, and most of the time the owners aren't aware of that. So it's really difficult to find an authentic Sea-Gull store. So I'm going to leave the link to Fiocchi watches in the description here, because they've actually come to my rescue before, saving me from the fake and providing me with a real Sea-Gull. And through months of due diligence, they've really, I want to be able to save everyone that kind of time and challenges on trying to find a real Sea-Gull watches, because they are the real deal, and I'm hoping to share that with you. So again, their link to their website will be in the description. This is what I unwrapped earlier, and this is clearly to hold the watch in place so we can adjust the links to a bracelet. And I haven't seen something like this included in the watch before. So again, really impressive. There so far isn't anything that would suggest that this would not be a good performing watch. This just has a really premium feel here. So let me do a quick turn action. Nice resistance, satisfying, just really nice. And I don't think this has a nickname yet, like the Pepsi or the Hulk yet. This is one of their newest colorways with the black and the red bezel here. So really great first impression. Very impressive, much more so than I expected, even though I really wasn't sure what to expect. But, you know, nothing about this suggests that it wouldn't be a great watch, especially for this price point. Like I said, this is just a lot of watch here that we're getting. So I'm looking forward to getting to know this watch, to spending some time with this watch and watching it and learning how it performs. It just feels really nice in the hand. I can't imagine a Diver's watch for $360 getting any more than what this Ocean Star is providing. So I'll be back with a full comprehensive review, checking on how this is. So thanks guys, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you soon.